Ever wondered how that crisp, clean sheet of paper you're holding came to be? It's a fascinating journey that starts long before it reaches your desk, beginning deep in a forest. Let's dive into the incredible process of how we turn a towering tree into paper. It all starts with sustainable forestry. Trees, often fast-growing ones like pine or eucalyptus, are specifically grown for paper production. Once harvested, these logs are transported to a paper mill where they're debarked and chipped into small, manageable pieces. Think of it like making a giant wood chip salad. Next up is the heart of the process, pulping. This is where we break down those wood chips to separate the cellulose fibers, which are the building blocks of paper. There are two main ways to do this. Mechanical pulping is like a giant blender, grinding the chips with water to create a pulp. It's efficient and uses almost all of the wood, making it great for things like newsprint. The other method is chemical pulping. Here, the wood chips are cooked in a chemical solution that dissolves the lignin, the natural glue that holds the wood fibers together. This process produces stronger, brighter paper, the kind you'd use in your printer. After pulping, we have a soupy mixture of fibers and water. This pulp is then washed thoroughly to remove any remaining lignin or chemicals. If we want that brilliant white paper, the pulp goes through a bleaching process. Modern mills use environmentally friendly methods, often using oxygen-based compounds instead of traditional chlorine, to brighten the fibers without harming our planet. The pulp is now clean and bright, but the fibers are still a bit rough. So, it's time for refining. The pulp is passed through a machine that gently frays and softens the fibers. This step is crucial because it helps the fibers bond together better, creating a stronger, smoother sheet of paper later on. Now for the magic moment, turning slushy pulp into a solid sheet. The refined pulp, which is about 99.5% water at this stage, is pumped onto a massive, fast-moving screen. As water drains away, the cellulose fibers interlock and begin to form a delicate, wet web of paper. It's like a high-speed industrial version of making a cotton ball. This fragile sheet then embarks on a journey through a massive drying section. It weaves through a series of heated rollers that press and evaporate the remaining water. By the time it comes out the other end, our paper is strong and dry, but it's not quite finished. The final stage is called finishing. The paper is smoothed by passing it through large, heavy rollers called calendars. This gives it a uniform thickness and a glossy surface if needed. It might also be coated with special materials to improve its brightness, texture, or ability to hold ink. Finally, these enormous rolls of paper are cut down into the familiar sizes we use every day, ready to be packaged and shipped out. And a little history for you. Paper was invented in China around 2,000 years ago by a court official named Si Lun. Before him, people wrote on everything from clay tablets and silk to bamboo strips. His invention revolutionized communication and changed the world forever. So next time you pick up a piece of paper, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it took from a simple tree to the powerful tool in your hands. Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into how things are made. See you next time.